Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for having a chasing aircraft for 2D mobile games. For example, we have a 2D aircraft and we can control it by the touch or the input controllers, and after that some missiles coming from nowhere and they chasing our aircraft and we need to survive. This package over here, uh, Osama Bonor released this package almost 5 years ago, which called Chasing Planes Unity 2.3. I will share the link of this package in the description of this video. You just need to download the zip file of this project and import the assets folder into your projects folder. After that, you can come over here. There is some scene folders, but in the scene here we have our plane holder, which is plane behavior. Okay, look at this. And now this missile is chasing. Goddamn. Again. All right. Now I can stop the game here and take a look at this scene. As you can see, it is just a simple 2D sprite, and here we are talking about this guy, missiles. Here we have missile behavior, and the missile target is placeholder and plane holder, and the missile dust for the actually these dusts and smokes behind the missile, and explosion effect here, and we can change the speed and rotation speed, actually the velocity of the rotation of the missile, we can change it here. And now if we come back to the main camera, it is the main camera behavior to following the actually the plane, and also create clouds here and the missile, making the missile here. And now we can play and restart here. Actually, this is a good practice to having a chasing behavior for missile or for friends, for enemy aircraft, whatever. Excellent. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.